Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel again. In today's session, we shall discuss another problem related to time and work. So let us begin. Problem says A is thrice as good as a workman as B and therefore is able to finish a job in 60 days less than B. Working together, they can do it in how many days, right? The options are given as 20 days, 22 and a half days, 25 days and 30 days. Um, Now I've made some points here. Before we begin solving this problem, we need to know some basics, right? So now see here, time taken to complete a job is inversely proportional to the efficiency, right? For example, if a person A, okay, is able to finish a job in T suffix A days, okay, A is taking how many days? TA days to finish a job, then his efficiency will be 1 divided by time taken by A, that is TA, right? So efficiency is work to be done. Basically, this is the formula for efficiency. This is the formula for efficiency, which is work to be done divided by time taken gives the efficiency. If I have to put it in very simple words, let's say 10 units of work needs to be done. Okay, 10 units of work needs to be done, and one person is doing the work at a pace of 1 unit, okay, per day. Okay, this is the efficiency of a person who is doing this work of 10 units. So how many days the person will take to finish that 10 units of work, right? It is very simple. 10 units needs to be done and he is doing 1 unit per day, yes or no? So he will take obviously 10 days to finish the entire work of 10 units, right? So how did you get that 10 days? So you did work to be done, which is 10 units, right? You divided it by the efficiency of the person, which is 1 unit per day, right? So this is 10 divided by 1, which is equal to 10, right? And units divided by units per day, right? So what will happen to the unit here? So it is unit into u by d becomes, goes to the numerator, becomes d by u, right? So u and u are going to get cancelled, so it is 10 days, right? Time taken to finish the job is 10 days. So this is uh, some basics about efficiency here, okay? Now further, uh, okay, let us take two persons into consideration here, okay? A and B, right? So what will be the efficiency of A? It will be 1 divided by time taken by A, right? 1 second. So it will be, efficiency of A would be 1 divided by time taken by A, and similarly another person's efficiency of B would be 1 divided by time taken by B to finish the same job, right? Okay, if I take the ratio of efficiencies of A and B, that is EA divided by EB, if I do, right? So what will I get? EA is 1 by TA and EB is 1 by TB, right? If you simplify this further, what we will get is EA to EB will be equal to TB divided by TA. TB divided by TA, right? So for example, uh, if I have to put it in simple words, okay, okay, let us do one thing. Let us take the example of this problem itself. So they are saying that A is thrice as good as a workman as A is thrice as good as a workman as B, right? So what is the meaning of this? Efficiency of A is 3 times of efficiency of B, right? Or or if I do slight rearrangement here, it is EA divided by EB, which is equal to 3 divided by 1, correct? I'm just bringing the EB to the left hand side, okay? So efficiency of A to efficiency of B, the ratio is 3 is to 1, right? So what is EA divided by EB? From what we discussed earlier, EA by EB is TB by TA, right? So EA by EB, I can replace it with TB divided by TA, which is equal to 3 by 1, right? Or the same thing I can write it like this also. TB by TA is 3 is to 1, right? So TA by TB should be what? It should be equal to 1 is to 3, right? Time taken by A to B ratio should be 1 is to 3, right? So basically what I'm telling you is that if efficiency ratio is 3 is to 1, the time taken ratio will be the inverse of that, which is 1:3. Okay, I hope I have made my point clear here. So let us solve this problem now. Okay. So efficiency of A, from the first statement, efficiency of A is 3 times of efficiency of B, right? So EA to EB, the ratio is what? 3:1. Therefore, TA divided by TB, time taken by A to B, the ratio should be inverse of 3:1, which is 1:3, right? Okay. Now see here, further, okay, let me just write this over here. TA divided by TB, the ratio is 1:3, right? So, and therefore, okay, let us continue reading the question. And therefore is able to finish a job in 60 days less than B, right? So basically what they are saying is that time taken by A is 60 days less than time taken by B, right? So basically if I do the, if I solve this by ratio method, right? So 3 units minus 1 unit, right? What is the difference between the time taken by B and A? 3 minus 1, which is 2 units, right? So those 2 units are given to be equal to how many days? The difference between the time taken, it is given to be equal to 60 days, right? So this should be equal to what? 60 days. So if 2 units is 60 days, then 1 unit should be half of 60, which is 30 days, right? 1 unit should be equal to 1 unit should be equal to 30 days. All right. Now if 1 unit is 30 days, 1 unit is 30 days, then what is this is 30, right? 1 unit is 30 days. And what is this? 3 units should be equal to what? 3 units should be equal to 90 days, right? 3 times of 30 days, which is 90 days. Now the question is, working together they can do it in how many days, right? Okay, so we shall address that question. Now see here, we will continue further by using LCM method, right, which we have already discussed in our previous videos. So A is taking how many days? A is taking 30 days, right? Time taken by A, which is 30, and time taken by B is what? 90 days, right? So we assume the total work to be equal to the LCM of 30 and 90, which is 90. So what will be the efficiency values? Efficiency of A will be 90 by 30, which is 3 units per day, and efficiency of B will be 90 by 90, which is 1, correct? So what is the combined efficiency of A and B? 3 plus 1, which is 4. So the question is, working together they can do it in, so time taken by A and B working together will be, so time is inverse of efficiency, yes or no? So 1 divided by, sorry, 1 second, total work divided by efficiency of A plus B, right? Total work to be done is how much? 90 units divided by efficiency of A and B combined, right? Efficiency of A and B combined, which we have here, which is 4 units per day, right? So 90 divided by 4, 90 divided by 4, which is how much? 4 2s are 8, 1 carry, 4 2s are 8, 2 is the remainder. So 2 divided by 4, that is 1 by 2, or 22.5, or basically 22 and a half days, right? So they will together do it in 22 and a half days. Option B is the right answer to this question. All right. Thank you.